Hi guys, Kid Gamer here, and today we're switching up stuff, and we're going to be going to cubes, Rubik's cubes. So in this video I'm going to be telling you how to assemble a cube if it's broken. Well, not broken, it's taken apart. So here's my core. I'll just show you all the pieces. This is my core with all the metal pieces, like that. And there's all my pieces. There is an edge piece there, as you can see with these parts. There, that. And this is the edge piece. And this is a corner piece. So, what you're going to do is first you're going to separate all the edges and the corners. Edge, like that, corner. Let me just do that. So, edge, edge, corner, edge, corner. Edge, 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 corner. Corner, corner, edge, edge, corner, corner, edge, edge. Yeah, so corners go one side, edges go the other side. So I'm gonna take your core. You're gonna start with two colors. I'm starting with blue and white. White, there's blue, and there's blue. White, blue. So you're going to go to the center pieces, these parts. You're going to be searching for the white and blue. I can't seem to find it. Here it is. Good. You're going to take that piece. You're going to insert color in color like that, so it locks in like that. See? Yeah. You take it. You just insert it into the corner, so it looks like this. Like that. And then you're going to go in a circle around the cube, right, like where you started, like over across. So then you're going to find the blue and yellow. There you go, and put it in, and then green and yellow. Where is it? Yeah. I'm going to insert it. White and green. Like this. So then it would look like that. Then you choose one of the sides middles. I'm choosing red. So red goes on top. And find all the red edges. Red, 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 red. And put in all the red edges. Sometimes it can be difficult, so hold it like this, because these edges can fall out. And hold it like this, and put it in. So you have the cross like this. And then you're going to find the corners. All the corners with red on them. With red. All these. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I just wanted to get all the reds. Then you will have 4 of the red edges like this. Then you're going to go and you're going to look. So you're going to see there's a red, there's a white, there's a blue. You're going to find that edge, so a red, a white, and a blue. When you find that piece, you're going to take it like this, and you're just going to push it in. See that this part fell out like that, and then just insert it back. Well, there we go. So now you see, I'm fumbling a bit. So now you see that the corner is basically like twisted. And just twist it back so that the colors match. And then you do that with all the corners. Like this. Plonk. Remember the holding position? Like this. Last corner. And then it's the last layer. You see, it fell out. But then you just insert it like this. And then you put back the edge piece if it fell out. There you go. Now we're up to the last layer. So what you're going to do with the last layer is you're going to take only 3 edge pieces. Only 3. And put it in. This can be difficult if you have a cube that is really tight. Almost there. And then it will look like this. With that edge not there. Then you're going to be inserting all the corners. Yeah. Ooh, there we go. Last one. And this is a struggle sometimes, but you will get it. Then it will look like this, with the piece not there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it like this, like you're going to take it like a snake. You're going to turn it a bit. Then you're going to take that last piece, and you're going to put it in like that, and you're going to fix it up. And there you go. Your cube is fixed. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.